In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the antenna mast on your Toyota Tundra. Using a 7mm wrench, remove the old antenna mast. Grab the new one. Install it by hand. And then the antenna comes with a little tool. Slip that over the top, all the way down to the bottom, and then finger tighten it. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.